Good morning, guys and girls. How is it going? It's only blooming Sunday. It is the day that we've all been waiting for. Well, I have especially. And yeah, look. Check out how many Harry Potter stampers Andrea's got.
Don't judge me.
She's building a small army, something like that. Anyway, guys, let's get this day underway. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Thanks for tuning in. I hope it's a good one. Roll that intro. Let's change it over to a fresh card, shall we? And let's hope that cures all the little problems, all the niggles, and all the little gremlins. Oh yeah. Let's go, do you want to know? Do everything?
I'm just doing a little sweep of my eyes. It's alright. You got the other key, yeah?
Yes. Right, let's go do this. Wave 2.0.
Where are we going, Mark?
The wave.
What are you going to do at the wave, Mark?
Hopefully catch one. That'd be a good start, right?
How many do you reckon you're going to get?
If I get one, I'll be stoked. That's it. One.
One.
Just one.
Okay. Well, first we've got to try and survive this walk.
The walk is no joke. So here we are. We're checked in. Now we've got is like the 1,000,000-mile walk. And yeah, man. So it's on. We're kind of a little bit better prepared this time round. Will I catch a wave though? That's the big question. Will I just get the one? Will I get more? I don't know. I'm just going to stay optimistic and say if I get one, I will be a happy one. Oh, it's on.
45 minutes before your session.
Oh, really? Oh, crap.
Oh, good. You better get in.
True style. So what is it? Turn it to the left.
Turn dial to the right, input your code. Fingers crossed. The code opens it back up.
Yeah, fingers crossed we can get back into it, dude.
I think your mate's out there.
Is he?
From last year. I'm sure I can see that blonde hair.
Yeah, looking ravishing.
Sure, yeah.
You gonna go and do your thing? Got to see which way we go first.
Hang around and wait for you to have each lesson first.
Squad goals.
You'll probably be aware of the path. This bit we're still on. I'm going to teach you the best way to stand up. All of the pros use, and it's just the best way. We can take it nice and slow. Make sure we've got our balance, and then you can speed it up. And you'll look like a professional. Right? 1, 2, 3. Pulling, throw position. That leg comes up. Because I'm quite short, I'm nowhere near that Indian leg. So I have to just shuffle forward when I'm up and stay in that surface. Good. Alright, what we'll do now is we'll do one more. We're going to do a Mexican pop-up. Go round. You don't need to do the paddling. Just up, 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 up. Look up. Look up, look up. Remember to look up. Whoa. Okay. If it's facing in between your legs, you're just going to grip yourself up even more. And then you're going to put your wetsuit over the top. If anyone's struggling at any point, they're like, oh, I can't get this. We can always change your board out, or we can just put your hand up and we can go over something.
Was that beginner's luck or what? Yeah, baby. I'm buzzing that first wave though. What? Oh, the fatigue kicks in quick, man. I need to get fit. Are we going to get one more? I've already had one, so I'm just buzzing, dude.
You can't do anything. Huh?
How's it going?
Alright, you?
£70.
115.
No. Standard. We're getting food and drinks. Then I might do a YouTube live. Maybe. So we're finally leaving the wave. It was an epic day, man. Big shout out to all the instructors again, because they always make it quite fun. And yeah, they got the tips, man. They got the insider knowledge, didn't they? Apart from that, it's been a cracking day. The weather has just done something real good compared to what it was this morning.
Nice now.
It's gorgeous. But yeah, the wave, ladies and gentlemen. What an epic experience. Again, I would recommend anyone, whether you've surfed, whether you've never surfed, whether you've never even considered surfing, go and try it out one time in your life, because it's an epic experience. This time again, same time, same place, next year. Sounds like a winner. I think even Andrea might be considering a session. What are you saying?
Maybe.
Yeah? Anyway, so we've had to go back to the ye old faithful Canon, because the GoPro died after a session, so the battery pretty much lasted an hour. I was shocked at that. And the water weren't particularly cold either, so gonna have to consider that if I want to be surfing on a regular basis. Apart from that, guys and girls, now for the mission home, all the way back to good old AY. So that's crazy. I hope this audio is all right. We'll find out when we get home. Hope you enjoyed the edit. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. And yeah, now for the long journey home. Shame. I could do another day here. I could do another session here. Next time, Waikiki.
Do another day, but in a different bed.
Yeah, Andrea didn't like the hotel bed. Shame. Yeah, we'll come back for the stuff later. Not too bad of a drive, if you ask me, ladies and gentlemen. We're home. Andrea's going to bed. And yeah, good times, eh? And we're home.